So, andito na kami sa pinakatuktok ng Chinese temple. Okay. So, tingnan nyo po yung lalaki na yun, no? So, inaakit niya yung bahay, akit siya papunta sa bahay niya na makitid yung daan, yung hagdan. Maybe 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, maybe 100 step and more going to their house. Look at those house on top of the mountain and the cliff one. Oh my goodness. And this is a bell. Here in Bell Church in Chinese temple, this is a big bell. Okay. So many tourists come here also. Take video, pictures, and selfie. God. Look at this view. Those houses inside of the mountain, some are on the top, on the cliff. Wow. So in the Philippines. So amazing. Now we are going down now. So that's the view. Mainit na pero malamig pa rin yung hangin na dumadampi sa balat. There's a lot of pine trees. Lot of plants. My relatives a house here. If we are here on top, we are going to go down with that stair also.
Like those.
Yes. No, that like not like that. It's just what do you call this? Direct.
Very steep.
Yeah. That one is okay. Let's go down now. We're going down. This is good. The stair. Hindi siya malalaking hakbang. Tama lang. Para sa mga matatanda, bata. See? This stuff. It's good. Yan pa ako. Right? Right? Here is cold.
Yeah, shady. Slim shady.
Yan, pababa na po kami. We're going down now. Hold it here. Sa mga gusto pong pumunta dito sa La Trinidad, isa po ito sa mga tourist spot, itong Chinese temple. Andito yung Bell Church. Marami po ditong kampana, ang lalaki. Ngayon ko lang ito napuntahan and highly recommended po ito. Madali lang na po siyang umakyat mula sa tuktok. Kasi ang mga hagdan nila, stair, ay okay. Kung kaya ko iuwi itong bell, inuwi ko na. Pasalubong. Yan, daming dragon. Sa gabi, nabubuhay po ata yan. Joke. Okay. La Trinidad. This is La Trinidad. We've been there in that entrance.
Mm-hmm.